Today I'm turning Totoro from Studio Ghibli into these adorable hot chocolate bombs. They're filled with homemade hot chocolate mix and of course Totoro's little leaf. So let's get started. So first I'm going to take about 2 cups of white candy melts and pop them into my little candy melt mixing machine. And I'm just going to melt them down. Now you can also use regular white chocolate. Candy melts are going to be slightly easier because we're going to be fiddling with like Totoro's ears and everything, but it's totally up to you. And to this, I'm going to add a couple drops of black food coloring. So we can use food coloring when we are working with candy melts because they're not pure chocolate. So adding gel food coloring, which contains water, is okay. So now we're going to take our melted candy melts and I am going to spread them onto the inside of a hot chocolate mold. Then I'm going to pop that in the fridge for the candy melts to set for just like 10 minutes. It's pretty quick. Then unmold them. This is so satisfying to do. I don't know why. And I'm going to set them on these little cups because this is going to make it really easy to fill them. I have some sugar, some cocoa powder, and some mini marshmallows here, as well as these cute little leaf sprinkles. I think that they are so perfect for like the little leaf, unlike Totoro's head. My puppy Treacle was very excited about filming today. She just wanted to be in the background the whole time. So her wish came true. So hello Treacle. So to each Totoro, we are going to add 2 parts sugar, 1 part cocoa powder. So basically 2 scoops of sugar and 1 scoop of cocoa powder, and then a couple marshmallows on top. As well as a couple leaf sprinkles. And then to seal them, this is actually a tip from one of you guys. You're gonna get some boiling water and pour it into a bowl and then put a plate on top. And you wanna wait until the plate starts to feel warm. And then take the second half of the hot chocolate bomb shells, place it on just for a couple seconds, and you'll start to see the edges melt. That is gonna create the like a built-in glue that we're gonna use to create the bombs. So pick it up and pop it directly on top and it will seal magically. Now for his ears, so is Totoro a man or I feel like it is, I don't know. We're gonna take some more of those now gray candy melts and just make little diamond shapes onto a sheet of parchment paper and then pop this into the fridge. You're gonna take them and use that same plate to sharpen the edges of the ears, get them to a really happy, nice, clean shape that you want. And then to attach them, you can see I'm holding the ear at a slight angle, and this angle is going to correspond to the curve of the hot chocolate bomb, right? Because they're not flat, they're spherical shaped. So the ears have to have a slight angle to them to be able to stick on. So I'm going to melt some extra just plain white candy melts and use that and a spoon to create Totoro's tummy as well as Totoro's eyes. And then we're gonna kind of go a little bit backwards, and to the gray candy melts that we had before, I'm gonna add a couple more drops of that black food coloring, and that's gonna create a darker gray, almost black. I'm gonna use that to create his pupils, his nose, and his little, I don't know what they are. It's like, I think it's an owl, but it's not, he's not an owl, he's a rabbit. No, I don't, like the little triangles, the fur markings. Into a clear mug he goes, it goes, Totoro goes. Okay, enough. Oh, he lost an ear. Oh, the ears are low. Oh my god. Oh, he's sinking. Oh, okay, this is sad, but that was a really good shot, so I'm happy about that. All right, so it is time to try. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's so good. It is so nice and creamy. I actually used whole milk, which makes it like extra creamy and delicious. And do you know who also really loves hot chocolate? Paddington and Treacle. Treacle's very social today.